Hello, my name is Mike Unger, and I'm the owner of Pick and H. Today I'd like to give you a quick sneak peek at my latest invention, the King's Ramp. This ramp is 5.5 feet wide and deploys to over 10 feet long. It's incredibly strong, safe, and quick and efficient to use. It will be for my customers, Tasker Landscaping. The ramp itself weighs over around 230 pounds, but it can be operated simply with just one hand. I'd like to show you how it operates now. As you can see, with one hand I was able to pull the ramp down slowly and easily. There was no danger of the ramp falling on me, and it was not overly heavy. Now that the ramp is deployed, you can see that it is incredibly strong. I'm probably weighing in the neighborhood of around 220 pounds currently, fully dressed with all of my work gear on. And as you can see, the ramp is very strong. There is a little bit of spring in the hinge due to the assist piston, but there is no lower flex to the ramp. Now, just as easy as retracting, with one hand I'll be able to fold the ramp back up to the base for transport to the next job site. And there you go. There's your sneak peek at the King's Ramp made by Pick and H and me, Mike Unger. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to contact me if you're interested in a similar ramp, this ramp or anything similar. It can be scaled down or up to suit your needs.